What you're looking at right now is a payment notification from a digital product I built in 48 hours, using zero paid tools, zero audience, and honestly, zero experience doing this before. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process I used. Every tool, every prompt, every platform, so you can do the exact same thing starting today. And before you think this is another video trying to sell you a course, every single tool I'm going to show you has a completely free plan. No credit card, no trial period, nothing. The only thing you need is 48 hours and the willingness to actually do it. Let's go. Here's exactly how the 48 hours break down. Hours 0 to 4, we find a product idea that people are already buying. No guessing, no brainstorming for days. I'll show you a free research method that takes 20 minutes. Hours 4 to 24, we use free AI to actually build the product. Write it, structure it, format it, done. Hours 24 to 36, we design a cover and layout that looks like you paid a designer $500. You didn't, it's free. And hours 36 to 48, we list it on a free platform, write the sales copy with AI, and go live. The step most people skip is hours 0 to 4, and it's the reason most digital products never make a single sale. Don't skip it. I'll explain why in 60 seconds. Step 1, and this is where 90% of people go wrong. They sit down, try to think of a clever idea, spend 3 days going back and forth, and end up building something nobody wants. Here's what you do instead. Go to Etsy right now. Search for any topic you know something about. Fitness, productivity, social media, budgeting, resume writing, meal planning, anything. Now, and this is the key move, filter by bestseller. What you're looking at right now is a live list of products that real people are already paying real money for. I searched social media templates, and the top result had over 47,000 sales. At $9 each, that's $400,000 from a template pack. Built once, sold 47,000 times. That right there is your proof of concept. You don't need to invent something new. You need to find what's already selling and make your own version of it. Spend 1 hour on Etsy. Find 3 to 5 products in a topic you understand. Write them down. That's your product idea. Done. Move to step 2, research time. 60 minutes max, then move on. Step 2. This is the part that used to take weeks. In 2026, it takes hours. I'm going to give you the exact tools and the exact prompts. Screenshot this, write it down. Tool number 1, ChatGPT or Claude. Both have completely free versions. Both are incredible for this. Open it up and type this exact prompt. Adjust it for your topic. Create a complete outline for a 10-page digital guide called your title for your target audience. Include an introduction, 5 main chapters with 3 subpoints each, key takeaways per chapter, and a conclusion with action steps. Make it beginner-friendly and highly practical. Hit enter. Watch what happens. In 30 seconds, you have a complete professional outline that would have taken you 2 days to write yourself. Now, and this is important, don't just copy-paste what AI gives you. Read through it. Add your own examples, your own voice. 1 or 2 personal stories if you have them. That's what makes it yours. That's what makes it worth buying. Once your content is written, paste it into Notion. Notion has free, beautiful page templates that turn your plain text into something that looks genuinely professional. Headers, subheadings, call-out boxes, icons, all free, all drag and drop. No design experience needed. Set aside 8 to 12 hours for this step. Put your phone down. This is the work. Step 3, the cover and the layout. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. People absolutely judge a digital product by its cover. A bad design kills sales even if the content is incredible. Good news. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need a designer. You need Canva. Free. Go to canva.com, search ebook cover in the template section. You'll see hundreds of professional designs built specifically for digital products. Pick one that fits your topic. Change 3 things only: the title text, the color scheme to match your brand, and swap the stock image for something relevant. That's it. Seriously, that's it. Then use Canva to design your internal pages too. Title pages, chapter headers, call-out boxes, all matching, all professional. The difference between a plain Google Doc and a properly designed PDF is the difference between "this looks free" and "I would pay for this." Design time, 3 to 4 hours max. Step 4. This is where most people freeze. The product is done. The design looks great. And then they think, do I need a website? Do I need ads? Do I need thousands of followers? No, no, and no. You need one of 2 free platforms, Gumroad or Etsy. Both are free to list on. Both have built-in audiences already searching for products. On Gumroad, create a free account, upload your PDF, set your price, and write your product description. And for the product description, go back to ChatGPT or Claude and type, "Write a compelling sales description for a digital product called Title." It solves problem for clients. Include a hook, 5 bullet point benefits, and a call to action. Keep it under 200 words. Paste what it gives you. Edit it slightly so it sounds like you. Done. For pricing, if this is your very first product, start between $7 and $17. Low enough that buying feels like a no-brainer. High enough that you feel the win when it sells. First product sweet spot, $7 to $17. And for traffic, share it in 3 free places. Reddit communities in your niche, Facebook groups where your audience already hangs out, and your YouTube channel description, right here. Let me bring this all together real fast. Hours 0 to 4. Research what's already selling on Etsy. Find your idea. Don't invent. Discover. Hours 4 to 24. Use ChatGPT or Claude to build your product. Add your voice. Make it yours. Hours 24 to 36. Design it in Canva. Cover plus internal pages. Make it look worth paying for. Hours 36 to 48. List it on Gumroad or Etsy. Use AI for your sales copy. Share it in 3 free places. Now, the honest part. Will you make $10,000 in your first week? Probably not. Will you make your first sale? If you actually do all 4 steps, yes, very likely. And that first sale, even if it's $7, changes something in your brain. Because it goes from theory to proof. And once it's proven, you scale it. First sale equals proof, then you scale. If you want me to go even deeper on any of these steps, research, the AI prompts, the design, the selling, subscribe right now because that's exactly what this channel is built for. Real workflows, free tools, actual results. Drop a comment below and tell me, what topic would your digital product be about? Write anything. I'll personally tell you if I think it can sell. Next video, how to drive completely free traffic to your digital product without running a single ad. Just organic methods that actually work in 2026. As always, I don't know where you're watching from, but I know you're building something real, and I'm here for every step of it.